Okay.
Hello, so today I received some specimens of Hemipeplinae beetles from Natural History Museum of London. I am doing my master's thesis on the revision of the world Hemipeplinae fauna, and these are small beetles in the family Mycteridae. So let's see the specimens they have sent us. So looks like a lot of these things. So I'm just gonna have to pull these out. So here are the specimens. Looks neat. Looks really neat. I like the packaging. So I'm hoping that I find something new here, because I have already found a lot of new species from the collections here at Eastern New Mexico University. I think that's it. That's a lot of packaging for that small box. So we will just put this back somewhere. And I'm going to check. This is the, I guess, some paperwork. I asked for the loan here. Yeah.
They asked for the loan. What
Because
are
we
them?
asked, we asked if we could borrow their specimens. It's called, they are loaning the specimens to us.
You need to return it.
Yeah,
It's
we
not.
have to return it after the study is complete.
Where are these specimens from?
Natural History Museum, London.
Oh, London.
Yeah.
And are the specimens from London itself or
No, they
from
are
different parts
from
of
around the
world?
world, which is probably in the labels. Oh yeah, they are from Thailand.
Mm.
So yeah, I have many specimens from Thailand, and I think I found one new species, two signs from Thailand. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of Hemipeplinae clematanicus here, and I think some Hemipeplinae pseudoclematanicus also. I'm treating these two species as different. One is described, one is not. Clematanicus is described. Pseudoclematanicus is not described. And I think we can find some more undescribed species of Hemipeplinae from here, because Thailand is a tropical country and a lot of beetles in there. It's really neat. Let me just do something. Oh, it's on the inside. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Wow, I can already see a lot of new to science species. Like this one.
Mhm.
This is definitely not described, and this one. Oh wow! This species was recorded from Mexico only, and some parts of North America like Texas.
So could
This is
you?
crazy, yaar. How can this species be there? Is the label correct? Is it Malaysia? It is Malaysia.
Oh, the species name is also written here.
No,
Where is
I
the
think
last?
it's the host plant or something.
Could
Oh
you-
yeah, it is Hemipeplinae marginipennis.
Could
It
you
was-
take out one and show our audience that what are the labels that are
I
pinned?
don't think that's a very wise idea. I have a lot of specimens here, over there. No, it's just basically these beetles you can just photograph or videograph from here, and the beetles are carded because they are very small to pin.
Yep.
And then there are labels like including the locality, the collection method, the name of collector, the host plant on which it was collected, and if possible the identification of the species. So such labels, and date, of course. Did I mention date? The date and locality are very important. Yeah, those kind of details can be found in the labels. So yeah, I'm going to study them, and if there's something new, I'm going to describe them.